Hello students, now I'm going to teach the next few topic which I was teaching that I told you that there are some of the important topic you need to consider before your board examination. So I told you style, template and how to insert image, what are the different way to insert an image. Managing document layout, there could be question can come 1 marker, 2 marker, what are the changes we can do in margin, page orientation, header and footer, page break. Now macro, what is macro? Macro is a part of spreadsheet. Macro में मैंने बताया था कि macro is a set of predefined macro क्या होता है? It is a set of tasks which we use to record for future use. Macro are the sequence of commands and action recorded to automate repetitive tasks. जैसे we want to multiply entire number with a single number, then we use to copy that number and apply macro. What are the advantage of macro? It saves time, it reduces errors, it automate complex tasks. What are the steps to go to the macro? We need to go to the macro from tools, then we need to click on record macro. Perform the steps you want to automate, stop recording and save the macro. Then how to run a macro? We need to go from tools, then macro, run macro. Then few of the concepts are data validation, conditional formatting, consolidating data, goal seek and scenario, macros in spreadsheet. Data validation means when we used to fill our application form, then when we used to enter the user ID and the password, then we used to click on the user ID and password. If the password is not correct, then we are getting a error message that your data is not correct. So it is the data validation. We have few of the data validation keys. We have conditional formatting. We used to apply some condition. We used to put in our set of data and we used to apply some average, count. These are conditional formatting. Consolidating data, I will tell you. Goal seek and scenario, I will tell you. And macros in spreadsheet, I have already told you. Few of the question can come like what is data validation in spreadsheet? So the answer will be when a user set some features in your Excel sheet or in your application form that when you will enter some wrong information, then you will get a message and it will be data validation. List any 3 types of data validation rules in LibreOffice Calc. The validation rule will be first one, the data type has to be correct. Second one, it should not be zero. How do you restrict user to enter into numbers into a cell? We can apply data validation. Next is explain the importance of data validation in a spreadsheet. If a user will not set a data validation, then any user can make any set of changes. And record macro and record changes are a part of data validation. When you are recording a macro and when you are running a macro, then you are running the process which is done by some another user. So what is macro, how it is, why it is applied in the set of spreadsheet? Macro is a feature which is done because to check that if another user wants to change some data into a master sheet, then if it is in master sheet, then the message will go to the owner.